Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make Nước Mắm Chấm. But before we start, I want to give you guys a brief history about nước mắm. That's right. There are two areas in Vietnam that are most famous for producing fish sauce, Phú Quốc and Phan Thiết. Fish sauce has 300-year history dating back to Champa Kingdom of Cham people. The birthplace of fish sauce is believed to be from Phan Thiết, Vietnam. It's an absolute staple in Vietnamese cuisine. Every dish in Vietnam requires fish sauce. Now that I have briefly taught you about fish sauce and how important it is, I can now give you a simple, quick, and easy recipe to make Nước Mắm Chấm at home. I know this recipe can't be compared to my grandma's, your grandma's, and my mama or yours, but I can attest I've made this version 100 times and my friends and family love it. And the ingredients that you will need today will be 1/2 cup of nước mắm, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of vinegar, Thai chili pepper, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 5 cloves of minced garlic. The nước mắm I recommend using would be Nước Mắm Việt, Hương, the 3 crabs. Before we can mix everything together, we have to boil 2 cups of water. The water is boiling, so we're ready to mix. First, you pour in the 2 cups of boiling water into the bowl. Then you pour nước mắm, vinegar, sugar. You want to mix first so the sugar can dissolve before you put in the other ingredients. Then you can throw in your garlic and Thai chili pepper. That's it. It's that simple. You mix it up and you just let it sit. Everything will infuse and taste really good. Now that our nước mắm is done, we can enjoy it with my mom's delicious chai. Let me pick my lettuce. I love Vietnamese food. I love pairing everything with the variety of greens, carrots, and daikon. And then you place your egg rolls right on top just like that. And you roll it. Or wrap it. And here we go, the moment of truth. Dip in. Wow. This nước mắm is fire. The beauty of nước mắm is that it's a perfectly balanced sauce that's sweet, salty, sour, garlicky, and spicy all at the same time. It pairs so well with numerous Vietnamese dishes that you can think of, just like these egg rolls. Thank you so much guys for watching today. Please let us know in the comments below what you would like for us to make next. Once again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.